This is a wild Terrence in its natural habitat.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Did you know that these plants use water, oxygen and sunlight to make food, which is called glucose, which is also a form of sugar if you didn't know that. These plants use all these things to make their food from a light source, which is amazing because I don't know why, but it just is. Now back to Terrence.
Right now, we are observing the wild Terrence. Terrence has gone behind a tree for cover because he's afraid of humans. Not all Terrences are afraid of humans, but I don't care. That's it.
Okay.
This can't be good.
He's taking a hideous turn.
We might lose one of our most valuable members. Oh wait, Nate! Nate! Nate has won! Get back here, Nate!
He lost his shoe.
It seems that Terrence has been generous enough to give back Nate his shoe. Terrence is mad. Nobody go near him. He's probably hungry. And he's gone back to his tree to hide again. Nate, that probably wasn't a good idea.
I opened my blood vessels, and my platelets are clogging.
His platelets are going to form a scab, which will help
Mommy!
Nate is very upset right now over this cut. After the fight with the wild Terrence, he was a little shaken up.
This is pollen. It's spread by wind, like this. I wished for a pony.
That's weird. Why is there cement in the wild?
This is a tree. It has plant cells, which have a few differences than animal cells. First of all, they're chloroplasts, which help them in photosynthesis. Also, the cells have cell walls, which make it strong and rigid.
You're not going to get anywhere.
Oh, hi.
We traveled about 2 miles since the start of day 1. We're really tired and we need to find water fast.
Oh no, it's a wild Terrence footprint. We're in danger.
After about an hour of searching, we have finally found a water source. Now, I'll talk to you about the water cycle. The water cycle starts out when bodies of water like a lake, a river, or a stream, as this one, it gets evaporated into the clouds. When it's in the clouds, it's called condensation. After a while, the condensation turns into precipitation and comes down in the form of either snow, rain, or hail. After that, the rain comes down and comes off of hills, as in this one right there. The rain comes down the hill and it rolls into the stream. This is known as runoff.
I suppose you're wondering why Nate couldn't make it today. Due to a recent fight with the wild Terrence, he's very injured. Poor Nate. This is our seismograph.
As you can tell, it is very sophisticated. We have made it with a bunch of sticks and some other random things we have found in nature.
It records earthquakes.
The magnitude
Oh
of
gosh.
it. Oh
jeez.
Oh jeez, what's happening? Earthquake!
Oh no.
Earthquake! Oh god! Oh god! Get to go! Get to go! Got to check the seismograph. It looked like it might have been a 7.0 earthquake.
But the wild Terrence has been disturbed. Oh no. What's that? No! No!
Oh god! Oh god! This can't be good. I must run away. Mark has been attacked. I must get away.
That's so scary.